look on top.
Where's Sis at? Oh, she's out there. She's right there. Don't come this way. I'm standing right here. Again, trying to run. There's a little gap here. I'm trying to. Yes. Closer to them, baby. You gotta put towards them, so you don't know.
The white stuff in their food is considered meat. They don't eat. I did a little research.
Don't come this way. No. Look at Milo. Milo, you the guard dog, Milo? Milo? I bet you put it in the palm of your hands, though. If you hold it up like this, they probably think it's oatmeal.